Very good morning to respected guests, HOD ma'am, my faculties and friends. On behalf of Progressive Education Society, Modern College of Engineering, I, Amisha Rendikwar, welcome our guests Mr. Bhiman Gandhi sir and Mr. Pradeep Tupe sir on this auspicious event that is Pune Management Association Orientation. Before we start the orientation, I would like to introduce Mr. Pradeep Tupe sir and Mr. Bhiman Gandhi sir. Everyone, please give a huge round of applause for them. Professor is working as Vice President at Pune Management Association. Pune Management Association is Indian leading management association and it is established in 1977. Sir is also an advisor to Ashoka Training Institute Pune. Sir is also a director of Innovative Venture Limited and Opal Luxury Time Product Limited. Sir has worked with many reputed industries like KSB Pump Limited, Kirloskar Brothers Limited, Atlas Steel Tube Industries in marketing sales department and also for MIT Group of Institute as coordinator for planning and development. Our next guest is Mr. Bhiman Gandhi sir. Mr. Bhiman Gandhi sir is a business coach, management consultant, trainer, speaker from Pune, Maharashtra. They have 25 years of experience in industry. He has worked in one of Fortune 100 companies in India. Sir has graduated from 1993 batch and certified NLP. During their journey, they demonstrate business acumen that help them to gain natural acceptance from clients, employees, consultants, vendors, and top management. I request Pradeep to say a few words for them. With these few words, I would like to conclude. I request Pradeep Tupe sir to give us the guidance about PMA.
Thank you, Amisha. I think uh, before I talk about Pune Management Association, popularly known as PMA, let me say something about this current situation. I think everybody is going through the current situation, but some people are aware, some people are not aware. Particularly the students community, the students pursuing their various courses may or may not be aware about the current situation. What are the problems today? There is literally no guidance about the career, various options available, career opportunities available from the experts available to you. Literally, there is no uh, guidance available from the experts from the industry. Okay, the reasons may be different, reasons are different, rather, industry people are not able to move out or mm, and help the people. But irrespective of reasons, this is the fact that no guidance is available to the students, particularly students pursuing their final years examinations. Literally, there is no guidance available to students that out of your syllabus, which topics you should concentrate, which topics you should pick up, and which topics you should discard or take lightly. Because this is also very important guidance. Literally, though nobody is aware, in fact, even many of experts are not available. What are the opportunities available in the market? You won't believe that 2 years back the opportunities available in the market and today's opportunities, they are literally 180 degrees apart. Nobody visualized 2 years back that there would be something called lockdown. Nobody visualized 2 years back that you would be required to stay home to pursue either your career or your professional or work. This was literally unvisualized, unimagined situation. So obviously, nobody is aware what are the opportunities in today's market, considering the pandemic or post-pandemic situation. In fact, there are n number. Just to give a small reference, because morning I was talking about this opportunity. There is one company in Shirwal. They are generating almost 140 tons of waste through their product, and they wanted to have waste management. So just it struck my mind. Forget about various other opportunities. A simple waste management opportunity also is huge, huge. available to you students. You won't believe, I have some figures. 4,200 crores of waste is generated from the agriculture. 25, sorry, not 4,200, 42,000. Then 25,000 crores worth of waste is generated from the leading industry, that is construction industry. I will not give into other details, but total waste generated per year is 1,12,000 crore rupees. Is it not an opportunity? I just gave you example. Waste is one of the most neglected areas, and we people are not aware about what are the opportunities. So my point of emphasis is you have to search the opportunities, and these opportunities can be searched only and only through the guidance. Or you are fortunate that today we have huge market of 130 crore consumers. We have the largest middle class in the world. No other country has got the middle class of our level. You have, and to help you people, there are n number of government or even private schemes available to you to start something on your own. I think everybody is aware about the Make in India, uh, the promoted by current Prime Minister Honorable Mr. Narendra Modi, and there are n number of opportunities available through this MII. Why I'm talking about this opportunity? Only and only if somebody guides you, somebody helps you, somebody tells you that these are the opportunities available, then only you will be able to pursue these, or rather grab these opportunities. There are, and you are fortunate, there are n number of schemes available and n number of people are available. Manpower is readily available to help you. So basically, what I wanted to highlight is somebody is required to guide you to grab these opportunities. Because of the situation, last 2 years, we could not have face-to-face interaction. We could not have, you can say, more interactive sessions. But situation has changed. Something is getting, market is getting opened up. So PMA will be providing you the opportunity to help you, guide you, or rather lead you towards these opportunities. Because ultimately, everybody wants to earn money, everybody wants to be successful, and to be successful, to earn money, definitely some opportunity is to be grabbed or captured. And but what is that opportunity? Which are the opportunities available? Somebody needs to be uh, guided, and fortunately PMA has got more than 500 experts, more than 500 professionals who will be helping you or who are ready to help you. In fact, we have a theme that is called joy of giving back to the society. So most of them are successful, most of them are directors, most of them are CEOs of their companies, many of them are retired, so they are readily available with you to help you, guide you, and believe me, without guidance, without help, you will not be able to get or rather achieve the correct, you can say, opportunity. So let me talk something about PMA because other opportunities and other expectations, Mr. Biman Gandhi is the director of our, we have 14 verticals. So Mr. Gandhi is leading one of the key vertical, that is entrepreneurship. We call it as COE entrepreneurship, Center of Excellence Entrepreneurship. He is leading that and he will be talking about the various opportunity. So I'll focus mainly on the um basic part, that is Pune Management Association, because I think you should be aware about what PMA is doing and what is the background of Pune Management Association. Pune Management Association, as Abhisha has rightly said, it was established formally in 1977. I am using the word formally because since 1965, the great all-time leaders of the industry, they started this movement called Pune Management way back in 1965. Who were these founder members? Late Padma Bhushan Chandraraoji Kirloskar, his son late Chandrakantji Kirloskar, then Bharat Forge, I think everybody is aware, that is Kalyani Group. The founder of Kalyani Group, Dr. Neelkant Rao Kalyani. Then Swastik Rubber, you people may not be aware, but it was a leading company that time. Mr. V.S. Vaidya, Vasantrao Vaidya, and Mr. C.V. Joe. These stalwarts industrialists, they came together and started this movement called Pune Management Association. Initial aim was to pursue or rather uh, popularize scientific principles of management amongst the professionals, because today everybody is talking about management, but in 1965 very few people were aware about the principles and even practices of management. So that time these people started came together and started informally Pune Management Association, and then we formally got established in 1977. Since then we are pursuing various programs, various you can say uh, activities through which we are helping the youngsters, the young professionals, the entrepreneurs. As I said, we have 14 verticals, because as you are aware, and since you are the students of management, you must be aware that management is a very vast field. Management is very vast field. You name activity, you name the you can say vertical, and yes, it is available under the management. So we have various verticals. We have 14 such verticals, right from HR, the basic your entry point to the company, to the end point, that is marketing. So name any activity, and yes, we are there. We have vertical. I'll share the list with you people. There are 14 such verticals through which we are pursuing the um, activities and extending our services to the youngsters, particularly the young professionals. Uh, and I think for your benefit, I think we can have regular mentorship, which is not very rarely available. Wherever we have student chapter, our main focus is on mentorship. We attach 4 or 5 students pursuing MBA, particularly final year students, to our mentors, so that they get personal, you can say, guidance or expertise sharing with them. So this is what is the benefit of Pune Management Association. You can uh, enrich your skills. I am emphasizing the word skills, because knowledge you are getting from your college, but skills you will get only through the interaction or actual work. So that knowledge, skills we will help you to enrich to various activities. We can conduct various programs. We can have, uh, if we decide, we can have a weekly schedule also for the interaction with the experts available in the industry. We can have various programs, because 2 years there was a gap, but earlier we had our signature program, My Dream Budget. Just 1 month before the union budget, we used to conduct this My Dream Budget competition. People used to participate with their ideas in this competition, and then subsequently final presentation used to be made of selected people. So similar activities, I'm just mentioning one of them, which will tell you what are the activities being conducted by Pune Management Association. So basically, to help you to, you can say, your popular word is campus to corporate. So smoothen your entry from campus to corporate. We help you with the mentorship as well as personal guidance. So I think you can take the benefit of Pune Management Association mentors. You will have senior members as your coordinator, and which will help you and guide you for your future career. So base of your future career will be strengthened by our mentors. That is what I wanted to say. So with that, I will hand it over back to Amisha. Thank you, Kalyani madam. Thank you, Pallavi madam, for giving us an opportunity. Thank you.